Hey guys, I'm back with amazing ideas of summer patio decor. A few colorful updates can turn a lackluster backyard into an inviting outdoor room. With furniture, accessories, paint, and landscaping, it's easy to add bold color to a patio deck or garden. Refresh your outdoor space with these colorful backyard decorating ideas. Outdoor fabrics are an easy way to add color to your backyard. Start with furniture and an outdoor rug in neutral tones, then layer in brighten colors through thorough pillows, seat cushions, upholstered puffs, and other accessories. This allows you to easily redo your backyard color scheme without completely starting over. A clever backyard decor idea is to add foliage with container gardens if your backyard isn't as green as you like. Here, hanging baskets and planters supply greenery to make up for the yard's lack of grassy areas. The lush green leaves help set off the bright white furniture and colorful outdoor pillows. Update a plain outdoor rug to add colors and pattern to your backyard. First, use painter's tape to create a custom design, then use a large round brush to dab on paint in your color of choice. A smooth, low pile material like sisal works best for the crisp lines. Provide stylish sun protection with an umbrella for a backyard decor idea that incorporates a fun color or pattern. In this backyard, an umbrella repeats the sunny color used on pillows, throws, and side tables. More significant elements, including the furniture and area rug, remain neutral to balance the colorful accents. Add depth to your covered porch or patio by painting the ceiling or rafters. The color will add an unexpected twist and make an outdoor room feel cozy and inviting. For balance, opt for lighter furnishing and bright accessories. Look to the flowers and plants in your yard for color inspiration. Use the hues you found, such as grass green, rosy red, and carnation pink, to accessorize your outdoor spaces. Purple pillows on this patio match the flowers blooming in the nearby containers. Bring your outdoor spaces to life with vibrant decorative accessories. Look to garden sculptures, casing balls, and accent furniture with interesting shapes and design. This is a great way to add whimsical color to the backyard. Suspended flower pots can become colorful wall art for your outdoor rooms. Start with 9 terracotta pots and coat the bases with spray paint. Add a splash of color to an outdoor seating area with bright chairs. In this backyard, green, pink, and orange metal chairs pop against the neutral patios. A colorful hammock rounds out the fun, a welcoming space. So this is all about today's video, and I hope so you like it. Do apply all these ideas to your patios and do share with me. If you like my videos, subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.